Okay, we're at the Smith residence in Suisun City, and we have Livingstone Tundra here as the color. And we have the counter coming down. It's a waterfall counter coming down to the floor. Also underneath. And then we come over to the sink area. We have a drain board routed in, which slopes into the sink. Custom made signature sink with a seamless drain and an apron front with a bump out going into the bay window. And then we also have a couple shelves here to match, and these are removable so we can get underneath there.